Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button right here to open the controls center. Now scroll through the controls center and look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Looks like this, like the moon icon. Technically it's a focus mode icon, but we can enable Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on this icon and then selecting Do Not Disturb mode. Now select the duration, so basically for how long the Do Not Disturb mode should be turned on, and you have on for 1 hour, on until this evening, and on until you leave the location. On option basically turns on the Do Not Disturb mode and it's gonna stay on until you turn it off. On for 1 hour, of course, will stay on for 1 hour and then turn off. On until this evening, it will stay on until the evening, and on until you leave the location basically means that it will stay on until you leave specific location. So select the one of the durations. I'm gonna select on, and the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color and also the icon at the top of the control center. And once you're done, you can press the side button or crown button to go back to watch face. And you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon on the top of the watch face, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. If you want to disable the mode, open the controls center, scroll down, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon. The icon will go back to gray color and it will disappear from the top of the screen, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also create a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode for it to turn on automatically and turn off automatically. To do it, open the settings on your watch. So let's press the crown button to open the menu, tap on the settings icon, and settings, scroll down, find the focus option and tap on it. And here select Do Not Disturb. And right here we can set up a schedule. We have some existing ones as you can see, but we want to add a new one, so tap on Add New, select From, and set the time on which the schedule should turn on, and we can use the crown button to do it. Basically you can rotate the crown button. So rotate the crown button, set the time, then tap on the check mark, confirm. Next we have the 2, so basically the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should turn off. I'm gonna select AM and I'm gonna set it to something like 7:30. Okay, so once you set the time frame, you can scroll down and you can select the days on which the alarm, or rather not alarm, the schedule should repeat. And we have specific days and you can tap on them to check them or uncheck them. And you can also enable it right here. And once you're done editing the schedule, you can go back and it will appear on the list right here. You can also remove these schedules by tapping on one, scrolling down and tapping on delete, like this. And once you're done, of course, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.